according to Attorney Michael Poa, wala naman daw silang problema dun sa dokumento, pero fatally overbroad daw. So hindi daw yung dokumento, yung problema nila, ang lawak din daw.
You know, yung malawak na yan, well, first of all, how can they say malawak when specific ang request? Nasa subpoena naman, hindi naman sinasubpoena ang mga bangko to say, show all the records from this year to this year. Hindi naman po. If they take a closer look at the subpoenas are very specific as to what bank account, which bank officer, which bank, where is the bank located. Specific po ang mga subpoena ng prosecution. It is not overly broad.
Yeah.
At yung linalaman ng banks, how can they say it is broad? Linalaman ng BIR box, how can they say it is broad if they haven't even seen it? Actually, it is not the fault of the prosecution because gusto nga namin buksan ito sa pre-trial para makita na nila ano ba itong mga dokumento na nasa loob ng BIR box so that
Yes.
they could make their objections during the pre-trial. Number one, hindi nila ayaw nilang i-mark yung nasa loob ng box. In addition to that, ayaw nilang pabuksan yung box. So, sabi nila sa trial na lang. Ngayon na nasa trial, ayaw pa rin nilang pabuksan ng box. Sana tayo tutungo. Sana kung pumayag sila sa pre-trial, nabuksan ang box, natignan ang laman ng box na yan, nag-compare na kami ng evidence, kung meron din silang kopya ng BIR submissions ng Vice President, di nag-compare sila kung spliced or fraudulent yung ginagawa namin documents or the pre-trial would have been the proper opportunity for them to have made these comparisons. Hindi naman pwedeng sabihin broad ang request if they have not even analyzed the subpoena or they don't know the contents of the box.
Yeah.